Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how you can make animation map. Please subscribe my channel and I'll show you different ways how to make money. First of all you open Canva and videos. In element section there is a search bar. You can search for a word map. In word map you can select the map whichever you like and where you want to create your video. After selecting the map, you have to increase the map visibility as long as possible, where you can see clearly your map. And after that, you have to search for the map which you want to paste on the top. For example, I want to search for Pakistan map. You have to maximize the map and then you have to download the map in PNG format without the background. And then paste the map on the exact place or location where people can see the exact map, and you can adjust the map also. And here is the important point, because you have to sketch or you have to animate the map. The best possibility you can select sketch or ink. So I am using the sketch and then I am writing here Pakistan and also animate the Pakistan word as well. Now merge both the page, select the transmission which is match and move and maximize the timing which is 2.5, and then you can play. Finally the video is ready. Download with the MP4 video in HD or 4K.